Greetings and welcome to PinballHelp. Mike here. Today I am in an unusual place. This is a movie set for a HBO Cinemax thing that they're doing. We've been taking these machines and they're in a scene in the filming. You'll notice there's something unusual about them. It's a Gottlieb King Cool, but it's got a different back glass on it. They do that for intellectual property reasons. Or Gottlieb Big Shot here. There were characters on the thing, and they've covered them up with paint that matches the background color so that you don't see likenesses of people. That's an intellectual property issue. And then they did their own custom back glass. And this is a game that in the scene, when it comes out, you'll see the character lifts it up and smashes it. And I consulted with them to try to figure out the best way to pull this off. This game was actually smashed 9 times, and believe it or not, it still works. It's pretty amazing that this thing was dropped. Both of the legs are broken off. The head has been mangled. We didn't really want to do anything with this game and have it destroyed, but they were gonna do it anyway. So I found this old basket case of a game and worked out a deal where we're going to get it back after they've done the filming. So we'll try to restore it. So interesting scene. You'll look for it in the show. Called Quarry. This is a neat setup. This is behind the scenes of like an amusement gaming center, and so you see the play fields everywhere. Kind of a neat setup and a scene. Some pretty cool vintage stuff, and these are my games that were rented, and you may have see a few of them from previous episodes. So there you go, a little quick video tour of behind the scenes of a film production. So for more, visit pinballhelp.com. Thanks for watching.